Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Alyssa. It is so incredibly nice to meet you. I hope that you'll consider hanging around and subscribing. And if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're back and planning with me today. So today we are using a kit from Christine's Paper Studio. It is called Cozy. It is gold, it is gorgeous, and it is perfect. I really love this kit. It's nice because I had a really long kind of stint of rose gold and I went into some gold beauties and I just love how this kit turns out. So I did start to lay it down and I realized I wasn't recording. So you really only missed me pop down the washi, which by the way, look how stunning this washi is. I love it so much. But I highly recommend you check this kit out in her shop as well. She did open for the Made in Canada sale, but she is taking a little bit of a break right now, but keep her in the back of your pocket. I do have a code for you. It is Alyssa20 for 20% off your order. If you're new here, I have my discount codes down in the description box below, and those are where all my PR codes live and sit, but highly recommend you check out Christine's shop. So I'm just laying down my base. I am going to let the music play and then I will be right back with some more goodies. Okay, so we are back. I have laid down my headers. I laid down the base. I did want to quickly talk about what I've laid down so far. So those really cute little squiggly headers, those are from Paper Trail Plans. Highly recommend you check her out. Her foils are so fun and so cute, and so are the date dots actually. I love her little pieces. I also used some florals from Simply Beautiful Plans. I do have a code for you for Simply Beautiful Plans, and that is Alyssa for 15% off your order. Plus, you'll get my freebie as well. And then, of course, florals from the kits. And what else do I have up there? And I also have those little hanging lights. Those are from Simply Beautiful Plans as well. Up top above my sidebar, I have a really super cute little hanging pumpkin. That is from the Giving Girl. It is gorgeous. I have a code for you from Giving Girl, and that is Alyssa10 for 10% off your order. And then I also have an October script, and that is from House of Stickers UK. Also have a code for you for her as well, and that is Alys15 for 15% off your order. And I believe that is everything. So as a little tiny blanket statement, I tend to do this for all of my videos because I get talking quite a bit. All of my florals are from Simply Beautiful Plans for this kit and the kit itself. All of my foil florals are from Simply Beautiful Plans and Letters to Apollo. And I think that's pretty much my big overview. And I believe, all of my icons, my foiled icons are from Crafts by Towie, and my non-foiled icons are from White Deer Stationery. So hopefully that helps everything. These are really pretty, by the way. These florals are some of my favorites. They're from Letters to Apollo. They're absolutely gorgeous around this really pretty little wreath. I love it. So that is that. So it is official. If you've been following me for any length of time, by the way, the script is from Paper Trail Plans, but if you've been following me for any length of time, then you'll know we have been trying to move into our condo for such a long time. We are here. It has officially been almost 2 weeks tomorrow. In real time that we have been here. We have settled, everything is unpacked. We just have a couple of extra things going up tomorrow in terms of like hanging, so light fixtures and shelving and stuff like that. So that is all up. I talk about that more in depth in my last Plan With Me video, the Giving Girl one with cozy sweaters. So check that out if you want to kind of follow along what had happened. But now you can follow along on what it's like in my new condo. So this was a pretty standard week, not standard, actually pretty non-standard week for me. It was my final week of training at work. So I literally went 2 weeks of training at home, 1 week here at our new home. And so Monday to Friday, I was generally just working, which is great. I was working from 11 to 7 every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I had my weekends off. But this week, in real time, I have been on a normal schedule. So I've had a more interesting kind of week with various things that I've been doing around the house, trying to make this place a little homey and lovely. So I also did want to touch base. I did promise that I was going to do a giveaway for my 1 year, and the fact that we have hit over 600 subscribers. We're actually close to 7 now. I do have a full album full of all of my extra bits from the last year and a bit, from all of my kits, so my kit leftovers. And then I also have an extra Sakura kit from Sadie Stickers that I did want to give to the winner. So what I'm going to do is at the end of November, I am going to put that giveaway together and get that up for you guys and celebrate that. I just kind of want to settle in a little bit longer and make sure that I have a lot of goodies to give you, because I am going to go through my albums and pick out some beauties for you guys and for whoever wins. So that is coming. I have not forgotten. It is on my to-do list. So yeah. All right. So on Monday, I did laundry first thing in the morning. I had a lot to clean because we had stuff in storage at my parents' house that was like autumnal and more wintry that we had pulled out, but I hadn't had a chance to wash before I moved. So I wanted to get all of that laundry going. I also had new sheets and new comforters that I had got for our wedding shower, and I wanted to get that all washed. So I pretty much did all of that on Monday, and then I worked. I did quite a bit of work. I did a ton of work that day, and I was on channel that day, which was really cool. And I also found Natty a park to go to, which we actually don't go to anymore because it isn't fenced in. And I had a bit of a scare last week, oh, not last week, the other day, actually, probably, I think it was Monday of this real-time week, and where a dog was scaring her and she ran onto one of the side roads. So her recall is fantastic, but all of a sudden I could not recall her. She was just so scared of this dog that she ran onto the side road. Luckily, it was a road that it's a one-way, no one was going down it, but it could have been dangerous. So I actually stopped going to that. We found a park that is not close. It is a good 15-20 minute walk, but it is an enclosed dog park. So I took her to the other place for that 1 week, and then we kind of just said, nah, we're not doing that anymore. So that is that is what is going on. So I did a lot of walking with Natty. Natty and I have a routine. I get up in the morning. First thing we do is go to the dog park, or we walk for a while, depending on my work schedule. And then we come back and I either do house stuff, school stuff, or for a while I was unpacking. And then we would I'd take her for a walk, or I would take my lunch break for work, and yada, yada, yada. And then when Nathan came home, he would take her to the park. But it ended up happening is this week we're actually been going together because I've been off most evenings except for Tuesday evening. So yeah, so that is that. My Monday, I took her to the dog park, and then I worked for the entire day for pretty much, and then I did a chili night. You're going to also see more of my dinner choices because I have been obviously cooking dinner every single night for the two of us. So I did a chili night that night, and then what did I unpack? Oh, I packed up my leftovers, which I'm still making my way through. I'm so used to making chili for 5 or 6 people that I made the same amount for 2 of us. So I had quite a bit of chili for a while. And then on Tuesday, I packed, so I went to the park and I actually ran to the shops with Natty. I ran to Winners. And then after that, I actually ran over to St. Lawrence Market and picked up a couple of things for dinner. And then I worked all day. And then I did actually a grocery run. I ran to the Metro with Nathan and Natty. We actually walked over and I had to pick up just a bunch of like weird things that we needed. I didn't realize that we had like some spices, ketchup and mustard, like those little tiny things were like, oh, I need these and I don't have these. So they're things that I feel like we take for granted in our parents' fridge. So I grabbed those, and then I had taco night, which is Nathan's favorite dinner night. He loves taco night. So I did tacos for dinner that night. And by the way, those really thick, really cute dividers are from Simply Beautiful Plants, and I love them. And then I also used some really cute little dividers from Alyssa Craft Shop. I've got some from Letters to Apollo and Miramabel. They're really pretty straight squiggly ones are from Miramabel. I do have a code for you for Miramabel, and that is Alyssa15 for 15% off your order. Plus, I have a code for you for Letters to Apollo as well, and that is Alyssa10 for 10% off your order, and you'll get my freebie as well. All right, on the Wednesday, Natty and I went to the park. I did not have that day off. And then I actually ran to Balzac's, which is a coffee place here. Nathan's mom makes fun of me because I apparently don't pronounce my A's correctly being Canadian. She calls it Balzac's. I swear it's called Balzac's. And then she just says, I say Balzac's. So that is me. So I ran over to Balzac's and I grabbed myself a matcha, and they have these really good cashew gluten-free vegan cookies. So I grabbed one of those for the day. I actually grabbed 2 that day and they only gave me 1, which I was kind of sad about. And then I popped a lentil soup in the slow cooker and I let that kind of cook for the entire day. It is like an Italian recipe that my grandmother has, and I love it with like carrots and stuff. So I popped that on really, really high in protein, of course, because it's super lentil-y, and it's actually one of my favorite soups. It's very reminiscent of my grandmother. So yeah, by the way, this super cute little divider here is from Letters to Apollo, and these hearts are from Pretty Pink Co. And I do have a code for you for Pretty Pink Co, and that is Alyssa15 for 15% off your order. And if you're watching this on Saturday, she has opened again and she's got some really cute Christmas kits out. I ordered the Frost one for winter. I'm actually done purchasing all of my kits up until, I think I'm done pretty much buying up until April. So you probably after the next little haul probably won't see a lot of kits coming from me because I've actually dipped into my overstock and pulled kits that I really like that I've been wanting to use, and I was able to fit in. So I am not over purchasing. I am trying to use up what I have, or at least part of what I have. So I am completely planned up until April, at least for now, because things change with me. But that was my Tuesday. And on Thursday, I went for a nice little hike with Natty. We went up to where my old college was. And then I ran to Balzac's again for a matcha. And what else did I went? I went to Metro, and then I went to the market as well. I wanted, for lunch, I actually was craving cabbage rolls, which is actually what I got today. They have vegan cabbage rolls over at the market. And then what else? I picked up I made pasta and sausage. So I had a Beyond sausage with gluten-free pasta, and Nathan had the hot Italian sausage that day. And then on a Friday, I went for, again, a hike with Natty. Again, this is a very boring week because it's the same thing every day because of work, but I promise you it will get more interesting. And then I did laundry that day. I caught up on laundry for the washroom, and I caught up on our laundry. We have a smaller washer, so I have to not overstuff it. So I don't wait until our hamper gets full. I kind of do it halfway. And then I unpacked all of the rest of the boxes that we had. So we had a couple of boxes under my desk that I had hidden. I unpacked all of those. So those are done and we are fully done. And then because we wanted to celebrate almost a week being here and the fact that we were just so tired that night and me finishing my training, we actually ended up ordering Indian food for dinner, and I loved it. It was so tasty. It was from a really cool little Indian place here. And yeah, so I was very happy with that. On Saturday, we actually met my mom and Theo at Hyde Park for the day, and we ran to Kensington Market. I also did a deep clean of the entire condo because it really needed it, and finished my office up. I made a salad and sausage for dinner, and then I also played some Animal Crossing. Please let me know if you play Animal Crossing. I do. I would love to add you and play as well. You can hit me up on Instagram at Silver Antler Planning and send me your friend code and I will add you. I have been playing that more. So please, please, please add me. And of course, again, all these beautiful foiled icons are from Crafts by Towie, and the non-foiled are from White Deer Stationery. And then on Sunday, we actually chilled. We had a very chill morning, and I used this really cute little oil thing, the oil diffuser. No, it was actually a wax melt from Crafts by Towie. And then I did a huge grocery run with my mom for the next 2 weeks. So I picked up a ton of stuff that I knew that we needed. And then Natty and Nathan had training that night. It was his night to take her to training, which means I got to go grocery shopping instead. And look how cute these scripts are from Mirabelle. I love them. And then we also had a big family dinner with my parents and my brother and his girlfriend. So that was kind of it. And then we drove home and then we just chilled. So that was it. That was my week. It's nothing crazy, but I am settled. I am here. I do have a haul that I have filmed that will be going up on Tuesday. So I'm very excited for you guys to see it. It is really long, like horribly long. So I'm going to try and cut it down and pare it down a little bit. But that is that. I hope you guys have a really safe week. I will see you Tuesday for the haul. Stay safe, guys. Have fun. Stay warm because it is so cold here. And I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.